Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Backup and Restore feature on your BuzzTV PowerStation 6 devices. This feature is perfect if you want to save your servers, favorites, and settings, and easily restore them later after a reset or on a new device. On the PowerStation 6, press the main menu button. Select Settings. Then choose Configuration Settings. Go to App Settings and finally Backup and Restore. Once you're in the Backup and Restore menu, first, plug in a USB drive or microSD card. Next, select Backup. Choose the storage device where you'd like to save your data. Pick the servers you want to back up. Select whether to include your favorites and device settings and preferences. Review the overview, then select Backup. Your device will now create a save file with all of your information on the storage device you selected. To restore, return to the Backup and Restore menu. Select Restore. Choose the storage device with your backup file. Select the file, then pick which data you'd like to restore, such as servers, favorites, and settings. Confirm, and your data will be restored. Once the process finishes, go back to your home screen. Your servers, groups, and preferences will be ready to use. And that's how you backup and restore on the BuzzTV PowerStation 6. Be sure to create a backup before resetting your device so you never lose your information. For more tips and tutorials, check out the other BuzzTV support videos. Thanks for watching!